Nothing wrong here.
What do you mean by nothing wrong? You don't know, I don't know anything?
What the hell do you think you are? What the hell do you think you are? You don't know anything? You're a teacher, right? A teacher. This girl, she respects you as a father. You stranger.
What is this, yeah?
What the hell is this? What do you mean? What do you mean what is this? Talk to me here. Talk to me. Don't look at me like that. Look down. Look down. Down. Yes, down. This way. Talk to me this way.
I'm talking with you with respect.
This, I don't need your respect. You just don't look at me like that, okay? Student like bed ma ल्याउँछ stop.
Madman.
Where?
मैले के गरेको भन्नु न मैले के अपमान गरेको यहाँ?
एउटा यो बेडरुममा किन ल्याएको यहाँ पढाउन ल्याएको यो तेरो क्लासरुम हो यो.
No, यार.
यो के हो? तेरो टेक्स्टहरुले your message and everything is that willingly? What do you want to see? What do you want to see? Your voice recording?
No.
Your text, your messages?
I don't want to see anything.
तँलाई टुक्रा टुक्रा गरी मारिदिन्छु भनेर सधैँ धम्क्याउँथ्यो. जतिखेर पनि फोन अगाडि राख्थ्यो. साला कुकुर्नी भनेर मलाई दुनियाँथरी भन्न नहुने शब्दहरू पनि भन्ने गर्थ्यो.
प्रहरी आउनु पूर्व हामीले सबै प्रमाण देखाई मुद्दा चलाउने भनेपछि उनले सानीमायाको खुट्टामा टाउको राखी माफी मागे र यो मुद्दा यही सेटल गरौँ पनि बारम्बार बताए.
How many times you tried to abuse her?
Maybe 4 or 5 times. अब यसलाई कसरी सेटल गर्ने? प्लिज.
के सेटल हुन्छ? अब सेटल हुने भनेको you go to jail and that's how it gets settled.
No. Please.
What do you mean, Manu?
Please, you have to settle it down.
How? I'm nothing. I cannot do anything.
Brother, look.
Sit down. I'm not your brother. Sit down.
I'm sitting down.
So don't.
केही त होला नि.
Leave it. No way.
म अब उसको लाइफमा हुँदैन.
सानीमायाको बयानपछि प्रहरीले बोधिसत्व भट्टाचार्यलाई आफ्नो नियन्त्रणमा लियो र युवतीको जाहेरपछि उनलाई हिरासतमा राख्यो. अहिले काठमाडौँ जिल्ला अदालतबाट म्याद थप गरी भट्टाचार्यमाथि अनुसन्धान भइरहेको छ.